Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to play Roblox without downloading it on laptop. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, to play Roblox without downloading it on your PC or mobile device, start by visiting the Geometry Spot website and clicking on the Activities section. This site allows you to access Roblox directly without requiring a download. Simply search for Roblox on the site and click Play. This method works on Chrome, Brave, and Microsoft Edge. After clicking Play, you may initially see a different game, but don't worry. You need to select the third or fourth server from the list provided, as these are the ones currently functioning. Avoid selecting the first, second, or any other servers. Once you've clicked on the appropriate server, the game will load. Be patient, as the website may take some time to synchronize and prepare the game for you. Once it's ready, you'll be able to play Roblox directly from your browser without needing to download the application. So that's basically how to play Roblox without downloading it on laptop. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.